Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple key. Earlier video I have created one lock, one cartoon type lock, and today I am going to create a cartoon type key, which is very easy to model. Anyone can model this type of key in Blender. I am going to model it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final render of a key, cartoon type key. Very simple model. Anyone can model this type of key. Very simple and basic model. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.